Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply use NFC tags for home automation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So using near field communication tags for home automation lets you trigger complex actions with a simple tap on your phone. The tags are small, battery-free stickers or cards that can be placed anywhere in your home, from bedside table to a laundry machine. When you tap your NFC-enabled phone to the tag, it automatically runs a pre-programmed automation such as adjusting light, locking doors, and starting a playlist. Now, you need to simply set up an NFC tag automation by opening the shortcut app on your iOS device. Go to Automation tab, tap on the plus icon and create Personal Automation. Scroll down and select NFC and tap Scan and hold your iPhone near the tag to read it. After this, name the tag and tap Next. If you're setting up NFC tag on an Android, you can simply open the Home Assistant, tap on Add Tags and navigate to Automations and add your desired actions. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.